And we got ourselves a snow day. That's right, my friends. It is snowing outside. Perfect day for burning up some brush. So that's what we're going to do. It's super quiet. I love it when it snows and everything just gets really insulated. And you can't really hear much except for my loud ass voice and the footsteps. But we got some more brush to burn here. Let me show you. So this pile here still needs to go. I don't know, it's probably 20 foot long and 6 foot high or so. Just a bunch of brush. And then that little pile is just some smaller shit. This is more actual wood. That's just kind of like loose brush. So we have to uncover the fire pit again and get it raring. Mix up some boom boom juice and get it going again. Yeah, that's right, baby. She's ripping now. That boom boom juice did its job. And we got fire, baby. Getting rid of that brush pile. What a beautiful day to have a fire, am I right? All this beautiful scenery, me burning brush, all this beautiful scenery. Yeah, she's ripping nicely now. I'm so glad. Sometimes it takes a minute to start it, but this one was good. I had some pine logs sticking vertically up under it, so it gives it a lot of air underneath. Look at that baby going. Getting this brush pile cleared for sure.